Hi there, we will make a unique die cactus jewelry stand that go with popsicle sticks. First, we will glue on popsicle stick to another popsicle stick. Then, we will glue another popsicle stick to another stick. Then, we will make 4 sticks like this. Keeping the 2 popsicle sticks separate, draw a line on the first 2 popsicle sticks. Draw a line with the scale in the middle on one popsicle stick. Then draw a line on the second popsicle stick. And then take the other 2 popsicle sticks. Then these 2 popsicle sticks. Draw a line up and down the center of the sticks. Then cut each popsicle stick separately with the help of the tool according to the number shown. After cutting one part of the popsicle stick will be glued to another popsicle stick, and then the other part of the popsicle stick will be glued in the same way. First, we will glue 2 popsicle sticks together. Then, in this way, we will make 3 sticks. Now, we will draw a circle line on these 3 popsicle sticks and then cut them all. Next, we will glue the edges of the 3 popsicle sticks together to form the bottom of the stand. Now draw a line on the 3 popsicle sticks and cut them as shown. Glue the top of the stand down. Then we'll drill holes in the top of the other 4 popsicle sticks. Then we'll insert the 4 small round sticks into the 4 popsicle sticks. Then glue them all to the cactus stand alternately. This is our new unique die cactus jewelry stand is ready. In this can hang any jewelries. If you like on a video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.